Today I'll be unboxing Gearwrench 20 pieces master screwdriver set. It comes with a different tip style, the slotted, which is called flats in Nigeria, the Phillips, which is called star in Nigeria, and the toss, which is called Allen key tip in Nigeria. It comes with a tri-lobe ergonomic handle for strength and comfort. That is, when the user is working with it, the handle doesn't give the user blisters after using it for a long period of time. And also it comes with a speed zone for turning in a low torque application. When you are working in a confined space, you can turn it with a low torque. That's the meaning of that. And also it comes with black oxide non-slip tip. See, the black coating here is the black oxide non-slip tip. That means it does not slip away from the nuts which you are trying to lose or tighten. It also comes with 3 sets of star tip rotating handle, which means when you are working with it, the handle here at the back rotates. So it comes with 3 sets of star rotating handle and also 3 sets of flat rotating handle. It comes with 2 Allen key tip sets. Also there are flats here, flat, star, flat, star, flat, star, flat, flat, star, flat. It also comes with short shaft screwdriver. This is star and this is flat. So that's all with the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.